Let's make a beanbag. Those things that we toss for games, or a doorstop, or just something to put on your desk to hold some papers down. Let's make one. Today, I'm going to use Nebraska canvas. Now, if you don't have canvas to use, you can use regular cotton. If you want it to be a little bit more stable, add some stabilizer or some interfacing to the back of it to make it stiffer. For this beanbag, we are going to cut a 7 by 12 inch piece off of this. We're gonna take a little beans and then we're going to sew it all together. We're gonna fold our fabric lengthwise in half. You're gonna give yourself a 3-inch opening that you're not going to sew in. Sew the sides up into that point, and then we're ready to flip it around. We're gonna keep this real simple. You're gonna sit down at your machine and you're gonna sew your 3 sides, leaving your gap open. Make sure that you reverse your stitches at the beginning and the end of each stitch. Now that we finished sewing, let's go clip the corner so we can flip the bag. Okay, now we're ready to turn the beanbag inside out and add our beans. We've added our beans, and of course, I made a mess. We're gonna add some clips so that I don't spill them again. Then we're gonna take it back to our sewing machine and we're gonna sew around the edges to seal that hole. And I'm gonna go around all 4 edges. Remember to reverse at the beginning and the end, and make sure to push the beans out of the way so that you don't hit one and break a needle. And there's how you make your beanbag with flair.